Crono is a high-performance repair mortar developed for fast and durable restoration of concrete surfaces. It is reinforced with stainless steel fibers and formulated using a carefully balanced mix of specialty cements, giving it excellent adhesion, very low shrinkage, and long-term durability. This product has been officially approved for use on airport pavements, following extensive testing by a military aviation institute. It passed rigorous evaluations for strength, frost resistance, and resistance to aviation fuel and de-icing chemicals. Crono achieves strong compressive strength within just a few hours after application and continues to harden over time. Surfaces repaired with Crono can typically be reopened to heavy traffic in as little as 3 to 4 hours. It can be applied both indoors and outdoors, even in wet environments, and does not require a bonding primer. It is suitable for repairing surface damage, edges, and deeper cavities in concrete slabs. When working in time-critical environments such as airports or industrial roads, selecting a certified, premium-quality mortar is essential. Crono offers confidence, speed, and performance all in one reliable solution. Crono. Fast, tested, and built to last.